God bless you all.
Rikal, Salam Alaikum. I'm original from Uganda, and I was born there. My grandfather came from India, Gujarat, Jamnagar, about 120 years ago. And I'm born there. And in 72, when we had trouble with Idi Amin, I went to Canada and America for 10 years. And then I came to England, okay? But I traveled. My job is, I'm 77 years old, okay? I have two daughters. One is barrister, one is chartered accountant, tax specialist, and husband is a doctor. And I do a lot of charity work because my grandfather and father used to do in Gujarat. We only do in Gujarat because they were born there. We do a lot of big charities up there. And when I was, for 3 years, I was watching the doctor, and everybody, when I was coming here, I only came 1 week, not 1 week, about 3 days, I make a decision to come. But all my family and friends said, you are nuts, you know, your screw is loose. I said, no, my screw is not loose. If my health is good, my screw will be tight, okay? And I'm very happy with everyone. They're all friendly, and this group is really friendly, and I'm very happy. And I pray for Doctor that he allows a lot of people there, and hopefully I'll go on TV and newspaper in England for his video and all that. So the more and more people, and hopefully next time when I come here, I'll have a big group of people coming to do this, you know, when they will see me. And I was with everything. I used to have 500 for me in the morning, that's 1,000 and 1,000 in the, what do you call, in the evening. And I used to have a lot of herbal tablets. Whenever I come to India, and if somebody says for diabetes or blood pressure, this is good tablet, have it, okay? If you see my cupboard, it's full of tablets. And I eat about 8-9 tablets in the morning and afternoon. But then I used to eat everything, all the sweet, soft drinks. But now to control, you see, it's going to be difficult, but I'll try my best. Even if I do 50% to start with, okay, I've done. And I'm normal now. The doctor says you don't have to take anything at all. And you see, and I wish him good luck and pray for the God, and all of us will pray for him that he gets more and more successful and help other people. Because you don't see many people in the world, okay, that will be true. You will get doctors, everyone. I've got in my family 25, 30 doctors, surgeons, you know, but they will never advise you. They say they are crazy, you see. But after seeing this and people, okay, and I am, what do you call, we got one hero in this whole group is Mr. Tanveer Singh, okay, which and everybody should take his photograph, you know, autograph, okay, and I'm going to take a picture with him, you know, and if he allows me, I can get a English girl to get married. But I told him, English girl, you can get married, okay, but after 2 years, okay, first they have to see the money, how much he's got. After 2 years, he says, I want to divorce, so he can have to give half. That's the law of this country, okay. So I salute him, okay, that what he was, and the dance what I saw him, he will come on YouTube and all that, you see, and so people can know that where he was and where he is now. Thank you very much. And if I upset somebody, because I'm a guy, okay, will talk funny things because I'm crazy, you see. So what do you call it? I like to make more friends. Wherever I go, I make friends, you see. If he gets angry or if he is happy, but I salute Doctor, okay, and I pray for him. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye.
I am Shankar from Goa. I am facing a diabetic from last 10 years. So after diabetic diagnosis होने के बाद I took all type of medicine like homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurvedic, everything, but it's lots of fluctuation. Finally, I've not got any proper answer. So after hearing from the Dr. Vishwarap Chaudhary videos, I came here. So I got final answer what is diabetic and how to control that. So really thanks to Dr. Vishwarap Chaudhary and his team.
Professor Agarwal from Mumbai. I teach mathematics. I've been taking medicine from last 22 years. Getting rid of it, it's a dream for me. And I see it's getting fulfilled over here with Dr. B. We all should be thankful for that. I never thought in my dream that I can live without drugs. It was something impossible. And from last 2 days, I have not taken a single drug. I just taken drug of what? Blood pressure, and today that also I have not taken. And thyroid, which doctor told me to continue. And I maintain the same sugar. Without any exercise in Mumbai, I never do any exercise. Too much of work pressure, too much of stress, work stress. Start the work in the morning. I get up at 4:30, 4:45. Around by 6, quarter to 6, I'm out of the house. 7 o'clock is my first lecture. By the time I come home, it's 10:30, 11. It's like a machine I'm working. Money, 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 money. But now I understood that I have to devote time for exercise. I have to curtail my food. I have to change my food habits. In 2 days, I've seen the change. I've lost around 1.5 kg. It's a big sign. My wife will be very happy when I reach Mumbai. I have a big team over there. A lot of colleagues of mine. I request Mr. Vishwarapji to come to Mumbai. I'll organize a program for you. There's a big gathering. We want a blessing to spread all over India. We start from each state, each city, and we all can cooperate with that. I really thank once again from the bottom of my heart. It's really a miracle, sir. It's a miracle. And you are doing something very great. We all should appreciate for that. Thanks for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sundaresan. I am from Tamil Nadu state, working in Gulf country for the past 16 years continuously. Now my age is 58. When I was young, that is I was about to 10, my father used to tell one word almost frequently. Do you know what is that word? Health is wealth. He used to tell that word again and again. Now I am thinking that word. Since I am working in Gulf for the past 16 years, because of the environment, stress and junk food, I was detected diabetes in the year around 2009 and onwards. I am taking medicine continuously, but I could not get rid of that. For the past 2 months, really I was in panic. When I checked my last HbA1c, it was 8.4. I was really get shocked and I become sleepless. And I am trying to come to this program for the past 2 years, but my vacation could not able to get coincide to attend this program. And by this time, the moment I saw in the website, immediately I got pre-vacation and I came here to attend the program. And in Gulf, in my company, several people are waiting for me. They want to know what is the result. And even my brother, right now he is sitting in my home. He told, तुम जाके आ जाओ, आते मेरे को बताओ उधर क्या हुआ, तुमको क्या क्या इलाज दिया. Even today morning I told him, only they are giving fruits only continuously, without medicine. Now my sugar level is coming down. He is very happy and he told, I could not wait for another 1 year to attend this program in India. I will go to either Malaysia or otherwise Vietnam. I will get the details and my brother will go and he will also get rid of this diabetics. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम